Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn how to create manual test cases in Azure DevOps. So let's get started. First, I'm going to copy the DevOps URL and go to your browser and paste it there. And then so it will take you to a login screen and you log into your Azure DevOps. The first thing you're going to see your project name. Click on the project name and then click on the test plan tab on the left side and scroll back and here you can see all of your test plan. Click new test plan button, give a name and click create button. So your test plan got created. Now you're gonna click on the three dots and select new suite and study suite. Give a name. Give it. Now you're gonna create your test cases in Azure DevOps. To do that, click on the new test case button and for demo purpose, let's say I want to create test case for login to chase.com. Okay, so I'm going to add a couple of steps, but before that, let's add test case title, the chase login FNC. And here you can add a step. So let's say launch a browser, let's say opens, then type .com and hit enter. The home page displays. Next, say enter username, password, enter user and password, username and password display. Then click sign in button, page account page place, and then click logout button, system log you out and check email the login screen. Okay. So these are the steps and click save and close button. Okay, so how can you find your test cases or test case you created? Click on the test plan, click or select your test plan name and then test suite. Double click on the test suite and on the right hand side, you can see your test case. Double click on the test case and you will see your test case with test tape. Okay, that's all for today. In the next video, I'm going to show how to import multiple test cases from Excel to Azure DevOps. Thank you.